Diversity 2 shifting problems in this 2004 GMC Yukon. Yesterday I was backing up and I went to put my gear shift in the park, and it would not go. I have to start it in neutral. If I want to start it, I have to put it in neutral. So we're going to try to figure out what's going on here. We're going to go into the vehicle and we have to replace the shift cable. I came under the vehicle. I came under the vehicle and this was not all the way forward. So I took and pushed it all the way forward, and I realized that the cable would not stretch to it, and so I went back inside, and I removed the cover over my shift arm, and I noticed some debris that was behind it, and when I moved it, this cable came forward more. And it matched. It came forward more, and I realized it has to be in park, so I snapped it back on. Got it snap. Heard it snap. Now I know it's in park, because this is all the way forward now. Here's the pin right here. This little rusted piece that pops out. Then you squeeze, and these two little black tabs, and the cable comes out. My diversity to my shift lever. I think there's a spring up in here, and there was a washer that was jammed, and I was not able to get this in the park. But once I maneuvered the spring and got the little washer out, I was able to get my gear back in the park. I went under the vehicle and moved my shift level, the manual part of it, forward, all the way forward. It's on the driver's side, so I moved it all the way forward. And I came back up here to shift, move my gears. I was able to get it back in the gear once I moved that object that was blocking up in here. I was able to get it back in park, but I had to this snaps on, then you can be able to get the bottom one, then you're going to be able to access the bottom one here. Has a couple some screws at the bottom, and the other parts just snaps into place. This comes off. And you can see where the shift connections are here. I actually went to buy another cable. It was about $125. I was going to replace the whole shifting cable mechanism. It comes in two pieces. It's been picked up today, but I don't think I'm going to need it. I'm going to have to find out what's going on with my steering. I have a bad spring up in there. This is one piece. This goes under the vehicle when you're moving your shifter inside the vehicle. This is what moves the gears back and forth. Park, drive, reverse. is what's going to be moving. And this is the other piece. It's going to come through the firewall of the floor, through this little tap's going to cover the hole that it's going to be going through. Just slide over that hole. But fortunately, I did not need this. Something's going on with my shifter itself within the vehicle. There's a spring hanging and a washer came out, so I'm going to investigate that. But I do have my vehicle back in park now, and everything's fine. But so I need to investigate why that level shifter, my gear shift inside my vehicle is loose. This is brand new shift cable for 2004 GMC Yukon. Comes in two pieces. This is the other end of this one piece. This goes down by the underneath the vehicle on the driver's side. Connects to that manual shift arm. And this is where it connects. This is where it connects under the vehicle. This piece slides into here. Has some little grooves on here. This piece slides into there. This end is going to go through either the floor or the firewall. Just move it around, it's adjustable, depending on your vehicle. This is the part that's going to be under the dash, right beneath the shifter. But this comes in two pieces.